Here we show how easy it is to import CSV data into CPhrase. Here we have a CSV file for Formula 1 circuits. First, we create an empty configuration called F1. Note how it is truly empty. Now let's upload the .csv file. We can click here and see that it's successfully uploaded. Clicking on the far left button here, we import the structure of the CSV into CPhrase format. So CPhrase has determined a table target with all the proper attribute types. Now we just need to build a database with this table. Now with the database built, we upload the actual CSV data into the database. So now, let's actually launch the interface. So here, the default CPhrase interface comes up in a separate tab. Okay, so here we can click and get the circuits, and then specifically, let's get the circuits in Spain. Here we would actually like to edit the first circuit. To do this, we need to declare primary keys on the initial table. Let's go back and do that. The circuit ID is the primary key of the circuits table. Now on relaunch of the interface and reissuing of the query, we can see that we have the option to edit the records. You can really change anything you want here, but let's assume that what we want to do is change the altitude to 112. And as we see, it's reflected in the answer. Now let's assume that we want to actually be able to export all of our work back out as a CSV. This is going to require that we change a parameter. Specifically, the always offer CSV exports needs to be changed to true. And now after relaunch and resubmission of the question, we can see that we have a button here where we can download the CSV. And here is the CSV. So what this example shows is that you can take a CSV, you can bring it into CPhrase, you can make edits, and then you can export it back out. We hope you can find this useful in your work. Thank you for your attention.